What's up, everybody? It's TJ from sportscardtemplates.com. Today I'm going to show you really quickly how to export these files once you have them looking the way you want. Now I've gone ahead and added my photos, logos, text, all that kind of stuff. So this is ready for exporting. Now there's two ways we can export these files. We can export them for digital use on social media, Instagram, Facebook, all that kind of stuff. Or we can export them for print, which is a little bit higher res file that you can send to a printer or upload to a website to print. So that's what we're going to do today. So first, let's export for digital. Now we have everything set to go here. I'm going to go up to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. And it's going to bring up another window here. And I'm going to just save it to this folder. And that's going to be it. Click Open. And it's going to do its thing here in the background. And here's my folder that I'm saving them to, and you'll notice they both pop right up here. And now we have some nice looking PNG files that we can upload to Facebook or to Instagram or whatever your social media preference is. The other option we have to export is for print, and that'll be a high-res PDF. So if you need to send it to a print website or to your printer, this is the option you'll want to choose. So if we go up to File, Export Artboards to PDF, we'll bring up another dialog box here. If we click Browse, we can choose the folder that we want to export this to. I'm just going to choose this one. You'll see our PNG files are already in there that we just did. It allows you to name the file, so I'm just going to call this one Johnny. We have a couple different options here. We want this artboard content only to be checked. For some reason, this export selected artboard is checked, so you just want to, if you want to do both of your artboards, you want to make sure that that is unchecked. And we go down here, we want to make sure this quality slider is all the way to the right at 12 to make sure we have the highest quality. Everything else looks good, and I'm just going to click Run here and let the computer do its thing. All right, so Photoshop has done its job here, exported these two files. Now if I go down to my Finder here and just go to this folder and make sure, yep, both of my cards are here, front and back. Just previewed here to make sure everything looks good. Everything looks pretty good. And you notice these file sizes are pretty big. So these are just if you want to send them to your printer or upload to a print website. So that's it for this tutorial. It was a pretty quick one, but just wanted to show you guys how to export these for best results. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure and check back at sportscardtemplates.com for more tutorials on our products.